Gold and silver both traded bullish for the day and has achieved the resistance levels at 20, 40, 42. We have mentioned that this is going to be a greater resistance, while silver has also come towards 22, 70, 80 zone, the critical resistance. Now, what to expect for the day from gold and silver, how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have already profited. Thus, like, share, subscribe, and comment, and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till. And yes, if you have not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships. Now, first, let's have a look at the hourly chart. See, after the rise here, it has retraced, and now with the support from the 20 period, we are seeing a rise here where higher highs, higher lows are consistently seen in gold. And now you can look at it has come towards the next resistance zone at 20, 40, 42. Yes, this is going to be a good zone where gold will find a greater resistance for it to break past. But if you look at the movement here, see couple of bullish candles, then retracement, and then a reversal sign. So it has to, if it has to trade bearish, it has to break below here 2034 levels and then 2034, 32 levels. Very, very good support here. And below that 2028, 2030. If these two levels are taken, consider that we will look forward to a further drop in gold, else it is still not to be treated bearish. If you look at the stochastic, this is flat. MACD, now look at MACD on the hourly charts, it is divergent, bullish, looking upwards. RSI almost flat, coming to 2 hours. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, see these two candles are important. These two candles have come with a flat bottom. Flat bottom suggests that it has got a very good support here in between 2034, 36 and then below 2030, 32 zone. Very, very strong support exists there. If you look at the movement here, see it is almost formed a double. We can see this. See, after the rise, we have seen it retracing, and after retracing here, it is seen almost close to double top levels and now getting a resistance here. Thus, it is very, very important for gold to break past by 20, 40, 42 zone in order to confirm further rise here. Stochastic near to top here, near to overbought zone. MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also almost at the top right now. Coming to 3 hour. Now look at 3 hour charts here. See, first of all, consolidation was seen here, then a stronger bullish candle was observed. Higher lows, higher highs are seen here. Now see, the preceding candle comes with a bigger tail. Now bigger tail suggests that the prices failed to stay bearish and we have seen a recovery. Thus first it needs to break beyond 20, 40, 42 zone in order to confirm further rise. On the downside now, as I shared, 20, 34, 36 is going to be the first support zone, below which slight bearishness. But still I will not treat this as bearish unless and until 2028, 2030 levels are not breached. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, only 3 candles away. Thus it could diverge more, which means bullishness. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4 hour charts. Prices converge towards 20 period moving average. In the earlier analysis today, I have mentioned that there is a reversal sign, and also the prices taking the support from the 20 period moving average suggests bullishness. That is what has happened. Prices have retraced here and still staying bullish. But see, series of bullish candles here, series of greener candles here, and this time it has started with a slightly higher note and trying to retrace. So possibility for it to reverse exists, as I can see this as a double top level, but I will still not treat this as bearish unless and until 2028, 2030 levels are not. Also, the moving average is the 50 and 100 period crossing over here at 2024, 25, making it also the next support zone. Stochastic is overbought. MACD, look at MACD crossing over here, trading with very little divergence, almost staying flat here, but it is just 2 candles away, so possibility of third candle exists here. RSI rising. Coming to daily, see on the daily charts, we have seen now the moving average is crossing over here at 2024, 25, making it a very, very good support. Then you can see the preceding candle was a consolidation candle. We have seen it struggling to break past the highs here. Now this time it is trying to break out. I will wait, again I am saying again, I will wait for it to break beyond 20, 40, 42 and in fact 44. 3 levels here, very critical levels. Beyond that it is going to stop at 2050, and beyond 2050 we are looking forward to 2060, 65 zone. Yes, it can give you a stronger rise if it stays above 2050. Certainly more bullish momentum is going to prevail, as it has started on a flat note. That is one possibility, that it drops below 2030, 2028 zone. We can see 2024, 25, and then below that, because see, this is something which is symmetrical. If it fails to break beyond 20, 40, 42, we can see a symmetrical drop as well, which can take the prices towards 2018, 2020. Stochastic rising. MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, looking upwards, increasing body size. RSI is rising. Considering this Before I give you the trading levels and strategy for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch starting on 4th of March. Equip yourself with the tools and strategies which can help you trade profitably and with confidence. Reach out to me for more details. Also, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on for any of your queries related to the signals channel or the mentorship batch. You can write an email or you can ping me on Telegram. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and visit my platform forexhonda.com, where you can also book a call with me for any consultation or guide. And yes, those who asked me about my recommended broker, the link is shared in the channel and video description. You can just click on the link and get the additional benefits from the broker. Now, first thing is where to buy. As you have seen, it is almost forming double top levels. I will only recommend you to buy here at 20 40 42 zone. If you see gold trading about 20 40 42, see, I must not say, but 2044 is the first resistance, and beyond that we will look forward to 2050, and beyond 2050 sky is the limit. Right now it is almost forming a symmetry and lower highs, thus we should be definitely watchful of 20 40 42 zone. On the downside, I will you can sell here at 2034, but you have to put a 20 pips trailing stop loss, because 2032 2030 2028, this is the zone which we have maximum support for gold. Below that 2024 25, and then 2018 2020. See, nearby supports, we cannot avoid these levels. These levels have proven out to be a good support and resistance zone so far for last few weeks. Thus you have to ensure that as and how these levels are breached, you can consider that now the prices are either turning bullish or bearish. So trade accordingly. Above 20 40 42 more bullish momentum, below 2024 25, and specifically below 2014 2015 is where the bears will take over. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. If you look at silver, it is consolidated enough here and now trying to almost move towards 2280-90 zone. There is a possibility to it. It has taken the support from the 20 period moving average, willing to rise here. Once it stays about 2270, the lower price about 2270, I think this is going to be a good buying entry. But remember, as I shared earlier, 2280 and then 23. Two levels it needs to break in order to confirm the bullishness here. If it stays above 23, we can look forward to 2320, and once silver breaks beyond 2320, that is the time you can consider this as bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD is also divergent and bullish. RSI is also rising, signs of bullishness here. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour chart. See, previous two candles consolidation. This current candle could be of similar size, which means 2250 to 2270. Thus this means 2270 to 2290 possibilities there that it can be a strong bullish candle here. At the same time, dropping below 2260 is where slight bearishness, but again, as I have shared, only bearishness today is below 2240 levels. Thus if you are taking a selling entry at 2260, you have to be cautious. As long as 2240 is not broken, do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over here, double bottom levels, looking divergent, looking upwards, looking bullish. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3 hour. Now look at 3 hour charts. Preceding candle, a swing candle, prices failed to stay bearish, trying to rise. Possibly we may look forward to 2280, and in fact $23 levels. There is a slight gap which also needs to be filled. So a possibility of a recovery exists from the current levels. Also remember, it is consolidated enough here before giving this first candle. Thus it could give a symmetrical candle for a rise as well. So possibility of bullishness exists. But look at the 50 and 100 crossing over here, making 2280 as a very good resistance, and then ultimately $23 levels. Stochastic rising. Look at MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, suggests that bullish momentum may prevail. RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4 hour charts, preceding candle created a step. Current candle could continue with the rise here. Definitely 2280 appears to be an achievable level, and in fact 23 is something you should watch out for. Now see, look at the movement here in silver. Rise, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now if you just connect the dots, lower highs, lower lows, thus it suggests that it is going to get the resistance here in between 2280 $23 levels, the strongest resistance. Any point of time silver breaking beyond 23 is to be considered for a stronger bullish momentum. Be watchful of this. Stochastic rising, MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a buying entry, and this crossover can lead to bullish momentum. RSI is rising as well. Coming to daily. Now look at the daily charts. It is trying to rise. We will wait for it to break past these highs here at 2290 and then 23. If these two levels are taken, you can consider that silver is willing to deliver a stronger momentum here. See, three bullish candle retracement and the breakout here can take it towards 23.50-60 zone, and beyond that sky is the limit for silver. Stochastic willing to cross over. It is right now not willing to show the divergence. I will wait. If current candles deliver a stronger bullish candles, then possibly we may see it continuing on the upward journey. RSI is rising. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2270 levels, but then you have to be careful at 2280, $23 levels. Very strong resistance there. Then 2320. If these two levels are taken, consider that silver has turned bullish. We will look forward to 2350-60, and once it breaks beyond 2350-60, then you can say now the bulls are taking over. On the downside, on the contrary, selling entries at 2260. If you see silver below 2260, you can sell. But as I have mentioned yesterday, and as I have mentioned every time, 2250, 2240 zone, it needs to break. Only below 2240, you can consider that silver has turned bearish. Yes, if you see silver trading below 2240, you can sell silver. You can expect it to drop more. How far? We can look forward to 2220 and in fact $22 levels, where it may try to complete the movement towards the bottom here, $22, $21.90, $21.90 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Was that as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.